Prior to a sprint, a planning activity is conducted. This involves the development team who will be working on the sprint and the product owner. The primary objective of the sprint planning is for the product owner to provide details and feedback of the feature requirements to the development team. The development team are to provide estimates for the user stories and decompose user stories into specific tasks. They also decide which user stories to commit to for the upcoming sprint. The number of user stories in a sprint depends on what the team commits to. They have to decide on their own to the number of user stories they think they can accommodate and commit to finishing before the end of a sprint. Now, this is where the quality of user stories comes into play. Well-written user stories are important in the planning process because it would make the team's decision easier on what stories to include in the sprint. When planning for a sprint, the team decides which user stories to include by estimating the amount of time needed to implement the tasks within the user story.